Today's doodle celebrates French singer, songwriter, and activist Daniel Balavoine, a rebellious yet sensitive champion of pop music and human rights. On this day in 1978, Balavoine released his third album, Le Chanteur, The Singer, an emotional reflection on the preciousness of life that skyrocketed his career. Daniel Balavoine was born on 5th February 1952 in Alençon, France. In his teens, he fought passionately for social causes. With energy, he began to channel into music in 1970. Although his early musical efforts flew under the radar of mainstream success, Balavoine's career began to pick up steam when Swiss pop star Patrick Jouvet featured him on one of his albums. In 1975, Balavoine continued to build momentum with the release of his debut solo album, The Voix en passant par moi, a televised performance in 1977 of one of his former album's hit songs, Lady Marlene, captivated French pop icon Michel Berger, who commissioned Balavoine to play Johnny Roquefort in his cyberpunk rock opera Starmania. The role was a smash hit that set the stage for Balavoine to become a successful innovator of French electronic pop. In 1980, he released a hit album, Un Autre Monde, featuring some of his most famous songs such as Je ne suis pas un héros, Mon fils, ma bataille, et La vie ne m'apprend rien. In that same year, on television, he issued a call to action to politician François Mitterrand with a challenge to do more for the youth. This was a defining moment for Balavoine's legacy as not only a musician but a vocal activist for the community and symbol of France's next generation. In addition to the over 20 million records he sold, Balavoine was a devoted humanitarian. He focused much of his effort on improving the lives of residents in remote villages of the African Sahara, especially in Mali, where he planted to supervise the installation of water pumps near the route of 1986 Paris-Dakar rally car race. Balavoine tragically lost his life during a trip, but his legacy has lived on. The same year, Balavoine's final album, Sauve l'amour, won the posthumous Victoire de la Musique Award, one of the French music's highest honor. Here is for you, Daniel Balavoine.